California is known for many things, but one of its most spectacular natural phenomena is the wildflower superbloom. This rare event occurs when a combination of factors align just right to create a dazzling display of color across the state's rolling hills. The conditions necessary for a superbloom include a wet winter and spring, followed by plenty of warm, sunny days. This combination stimulates the growth of dormant seeds, leading to an explosion of wildflowers. In March of 2019, California experienced one of the most impressive superblooms in recent memory. The hills were alive with a riot of colors, from bright orange poppies to delicate purple lupines. The Antelope Valley, California Poppy Reserve, located about an hour north of Los Angeles, is one of the most popular destinations for wildflower enthusiasts. Here, visitors can walk among vast fields of golden poppies, which blanket the hills in a sea of orange. Another popular spot is the Carrizo Plain National Monument, located in San Luis Obispo County. Here, visitors can see a wide variety of wildflowers, including the endangered California jewel flower and the rare white-rayed pentacta. The superbloom isn't just a feast for the eyes, however. It also provides an important source of food for native wildlife, such as bees, butterflies, and birds. And for humans, it's a chance to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Unfortunately, the superbloom is also a reminder of the fragility of California's ecosystems. The state's landscape has been heavily impacted by human activity, from development to agriculture to climate change. The loss of habitat and biodiversity threatens not only the wildflowers themselves, but also the many species that depend on them. To protect California's natural heritage, it's important that we work to preserve and restore our ecosystems. This can include efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect sensitive habitats, and promote sustainable agriculture and development practices. But for now, we can revel in the beauty of the superbloom and appreciate the wonder of the natural world. It's a reminder that even in a world that can feel chaotic and uncertain, there is still so much beauty and resilience to be found.